Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Today, unfortunately, we're starting this off with a return. Everybody say goodbye to the camcorder. It's been fun, it's been real, but it's been not needed anymore. So we're gonna return it. The beloved Best Buy. What are we doing here, dude? Why am I returning this camera? I'm starting to have regrets already. JC and I are here at the gym. Once again, let's help JC get buff. Help JC get buff 2021. Nose to the nuts. Oh my God, yes.
I'm struggling.
Over the shoulder. Out of body experience.
Another one?
Yeah, just keep going. Give me a little flex. Nice.
I know what you're talking about.
Nice.
No.
How does it look?
It looks like I'm getting there.
You're at Kuya's house. Wow. Look, you got a filter on.
Getting food or?
Yeah. You see that green wall behind me? You already know what time it is. And when you see me and Merce together, you definitely know what time it is. Hello.
Hello.
Can I get the number 11, please? With chicken? And then can I also get an extra 3 rolled tacos with guacamole, please?
Doing it like a little jog to get the...
I know you see that right there. I know you see this right here. You know what I'm saying? We didn't make a pin for no reason. Let's see what this is. Come on, man. It's even more rolled tacos. Let me see what you got, dude. This is why we hang out, man.
Just trying to be better than I was yesterday, man.
I feel it, man. I feel it. Oh my gosh.
Just trying to be better than I was yesterday, man.
Wow, that looks fire. With the 3 rolled tacos on the side.
Take some laps.
Nope, I got some. Merge's first. Ooh!
You got water?
Yeah. Here he is. Let's get it.
And still champion Jordanis. Ooh,
Yeah, man, we knew it, dude. I know y'all see that. Last time I was on this video, I was saying how I didn't need the camera. Now here I am, trying to buy another one. Do something positive, man. Do something positive. Say it.
Do something positive.
Bro, you're supposed to be filming me. You're filming the ceiling. Bye, Lola. Alright, let's peace out to GMA. Goodbye, Grandma. Jim, potang kabalik ko mga tanan eh.
Thank you na mo to kaya pamanyaw mo ka na ako kaya pamanyaw ko sa kaya ka na. Okay. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
It's staying. Look at my man's new mask. Yo, my dude looks like a green screen. Proto gym, baby.
Proto.
And what are we here
In
to
a
do?
truck, baby.
What are we here to do?
Work out and poop.
You gotta take a doo-doo?
No, I don't. I'm just made that up.
Peace. Nino ito.
Ika.
Nanu ko lagyo.
Christopher Columbus.
My G said Christopher Columbus. It's part of the job. I got piss on my leg, but it's all good. This is for the people back home. The deed has been done. The camera has been returned. The morning has begun. You know, it's gonna take a while for everybody to get used to it, I know. That shit's so small.